The first step I'm going to take is to remove the grill. That'll give me access to get under the door. All it is 4 screws, 2 on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. So I'll take those off with a Phillips head screwdriver and then go after the wiper door. Correction, there are actually 8 screws, 4 on each side. So I missed the ones over here. All right, in order to get the wiper door off, there are 2 screws in here, cap screws, 3/8 inch heads on them. You can see them from this side here on the inside. You get a flashlight on there. So I'm going to use a ratchet, of course. This would take forever with a open-end wrench, and so I'll just have to take those off on both sides. You can see it a little bit. Yeah, there it is. That's a nice view from there.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.